Morning folks, this is Captain Dave Perros for Salty Cape. We are here at the Prince Cove Marina and Boat Ramp in Marston's Mills, part of the town of Barnstable. A lot of folks aren't aware that this is a public boat ramp in the sense that there are about 15 to 18 spots that you can pay to use. I believe they're about $15 a day. It is predominantly Barnstable residents, and the spots fill up very quickly in season. Good boat ramp, narrow. Again, you need to know exactly where you're going. Obviously, good dock. Really nice access. This is the Prince Cove area, and really good access down the Prince Cove River out to the Three Bays area, Cotuit, Osterville. Obviously, a lot of people stay within the bays. It's real nice. A lot of people access Sampson's Island from this boat ramp. A nice place to take the kids and pull your boat up on the beach and have a nice day there. But you can also go outside, and again, you're in Nantucket Sound, so you're really good access to great bottom fishing, Collier's Ledge, areas like that. This is also a real popular area off of Cotuit and Osterville and Craigville Beach in the fall for false albacore. This year they had a great Spanish mackerel run, and there are even some bonita around as well. Striped bass fishing. This Prince Cove area, a lot of people actually come out of here and go to Monomoy. Not a bad run, you know, it's a distance, and it can be a little sloppy in the way back, but it's certainly worth considering. The ramp is really not tidal dependent. You can pretty much get in and out of here anytime. You may have to put your tires a little bit in the water, as my tires are right there, especially if you have the type of trailer I have, a float-on trailer versus a roller trailer. But it's really not an issue. It's pretty steep backing down, so obviously, as you should anywhere, you want to apply your parking brake, and if you're a little nervous, you can even bring yourself a block to put behind your tires so you don't have to worry about sliding. Most people aren't aware that this Prince Cove Marina, there are parking spaces for non-residents. As I said, there are about 15 to 18 spots for non-residents, but you got to get here early in season to access one of them. Off-season doesn't seem to be much of an issue. The only thing I will tell you is that most of the town of Barnstable ramps are resident-only year-round now, unless you have a town of Barnstable sticker. You are going to get a parking ticket. I found that out last year myself. It used to be that between Labor Day and Memorial Day, no issue, but that has changed, so you should kind of be aware of that as well. Pretty close to Route 28 from here. No gas in this area, but again, you're close enough to Route 28 that there are gas stations and some shopping centers close by. That if you need to pick up supplies or ice or whatever you need to. It is a residential area, so you obviously want to, don't want to come down here and raise a lot of noise. You can get yourself in trouble doing that. But I do use this, as I said, in the fall especially, and in the spring. Good schoolie activity in here, and even some bigger striped bass in the springtime. And in the fall, you got the funny fish.